Hello children, today we are going to learn about noun phrases. But first of all, we will understand what is a phrase. A phrase is a group of related words that is used as a single part of speech. A phrase is a group of words that does not have both a subject and a predicate. So it is never a complete sentence, it is only a group of words which lack finite verbs. We are going to learn three types of phrases: noun phrase, adverb phrase, adjective phrase. But in this module, we will learn what is a noun phrase. Noun phrase is a phrase consisting of a noun or pronoun as head and modifiers. Let us understand more about noun phrases. Noun phrases are a group of words that function like a noun. Typically, they act as subjects, objects, or prepositional objects in a sentence. While that might seem tricky to grasp, the best way to understand these useful phrases is to see them in action. Let's take a closer look at the foundation of these phrases and nouns and explore the different ways noun phrases can be used. As noun phrases can be the subject, object, or prepositional objects, and we will know more about by practicing their examples also. Noun phrases are simply nouns with modifiers, just as nouns can act as subjects, objects, and prepositional objects. So can noun phrases. Similarly, noun phrases can also work in a sentence as adjectives, participles, infinitives, and prepositional or absolute phrases. Now, what are possible noun modifiers? A noun phrase may optionally contain noun modifiers. If these modifiers are placed before the noun, they are called pre-modifiers. However, if they are placed after the noun, they are called post-modifiers. Possible noun modifiers include the following. They can be determiners. In determiners, we have articles, the, a, demonstratives, this, that, numerals, to, 5, possessives, my, their, etc., yours, his, hers. It can also come under possessive. Quantifiers, some, many. In English, determiners are usually placed before the noun. Adjectives, the delicious food, the tasty lunch. Complements in the form of a prepositional phrase, such as the student of physics or that clause, the idea that the world is a small village. So you can see further examples of a noun phrases. The spotted puppy is up for adoption. Here you can see that noun phrase is acting as a subject, the spotted puppy. The Bowman house was brightly decorated for the holidays. Again, noun phrase is acting as a subject over here. At the zoo, I saw a striped zebra. Noun phrase as an object to the verb saw. I want a cute puppy for Christmas. Here you can see that noun phrase is acting as an object to the verb want. Mary lives in an eclectic household. Noun phrase as a prepositional object. Preposition in. You can see that after preposition in, this object is coming an eclectic household. Joss drives to an awful job every morning. So here you can see again it is a prepositional object. It is coming after to, which is a preposition. The car wash was out of order. Here the noun phrase with car acting as an adjective for the noun wash. The Delta Airlines flight to New York is ready to board. So noun phrase here is Delta Airlines acting as an adjective for the noun flight. She kindly offered water to the gardener working in the hot sun. So you can see here the gardener working in the hot sun is the noun phrase which is acting as a participle. Having been a police officer, he knew how to defend himself. Here, having been a police officer is a noun phrase as a participle. The ability to give others is an important character trait. The noun phrase as an to infinitive. Let us see further more examples. Our decision to get married was celebrated by all our friends. Here the noun phrase as a to infinitive. She crawled through the dark and musty attic. Noun phrase as a prepositional phrase. It is coming after the preposition through. He had to sit beside the horribly angry girl. Here you can see again it is a prepositional phrase. It is coming after preposition beside. Her face red with embarrassment. She took her seat beside the man she had tripped. So here you can see it is a noun phrase as an absolute phrase to the subject she. They walked into the sunset, their laughter carrying on the breeze. Noun phrase as an absolute phrase to the subject they. Some more examples of the noun phrases. All the kids were sleeping. So the letters which are in bold, they are the noun phrases. The boy in the blue jeans says he will do it. So you can see here the noun phrase is acting as a subject over here. He bought her a beautiful red dress. So here the noun phrase is acting as an object. Mom baked tasty chocolate cookies. Again it is acting as a object and it is representing adjective. Julia was thinking about her friends back home. So here noun phrase is acting as an object. Will you talk with these rude people? These rude people is a noun phrase. You are a true hero. Again noun phrase. My dog is my best friend. Noun phrase is acting as an object. You can put up the questions by who or what. For what you are asking for direct objects, if you want to know about the direct objects, you will ask question by what. And if you want to know the indirect object which are acting as a noun phrase, you will ask question by who. I hope the concept is clear to you all. Thank you, children.